This is Kite Hill brand ricotta. So this is a dairy-free ricotta that is made from almonds. The best thing about this is it really does taste like ricotta cheese. It cooks like ricotta cheese. You really wouldn't know the difference unless I told you. You don't have to give up ricotta cheese. You can just use this brand of dairy-free ricotta. I love this ricotta cheese because this actually is really one of the only brands that sell ricotta cheese dairy-free at the grocery store. Otherwise, you're spending a lot of time from making it from scratch. And since I'm a personal chef, I cook in my clients' homes, I don't have a lot of time to make everything from scratch. So this is a really great alternative for me to grab. And it's not GMO, so I know that I'm still giving them a very high quality ingredient that will also taste really, really good. I would recommend this dairy-free ricotta for not only vegans, but also non-vegans. Those people that are looking to cut down on their dairy, I really, really recommend this product.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.